Welcome again to the SWAYAM course on design thinking and innovation. In this module, we will talk about the project that you are going to do. So, this is section P1, week 1. In this section, you will select a project to do throughout the next 16 weeks. So, it is about project selection. The project is a hands-on project. You will have to do it and learn. So, you will go through the whole phases of the design thinking process. You will identify a problem to solve, study it, analyze it, ideate for ideas, find innovative solutions, okay, and it is a live problem that you are doing, okay, and it is part of an open design challenge. Okay. We call it as an open design challenge is because it is challenging to do this and solving this problem. So, the exposures that you get in the design process, which is the theoretical inputs, the process, then the next section on using design tools for analysis, okay, and the last section, which is going to be the exposure to case studies, will all help you in doing this particular project. Okay. So, each of you whoever is participating in this course needs to select one project to do. So, this project design challenge is to think of an innovative solution to a problem for any of the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, okay, using the design thinking and innovation process. So, what are these 17 SDGs? They are defined by United Nations. Okay. They recognize it is an action to actually look at the problems around the world. Okay. These are known as global goals, and it might have to do with poverty, hunger, discrimination, rights, okay, and they are all framed around the everyday concerns of the common man. A very nice subject. Okay. You are free to choose any subject, any topic from this 17 goals, okay, and these are the references towards it. If you go to undp.org/sustainable development goals, you will come to this, or you can go to sdgs.un.org goals. Yeah, that has more information on this subject. You can select your topic from any of these 17 SDGs. Okay. They are all very nice and important topics. They are also diverse. So, no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable clean energy, so on and so forth. If you look at them, right, the number 13 is about climate action, 14 is about life below water, 15 is about life on land. All of them are talking about something or other issues, and all are important issues. Okay. So, it is a very diverse range of topics that you can choose from. Okay. So, we suggest that you select one of these subjects. Okay. To give you more hints on this, okay, so it could be on any one of these fields. I mean, you can decide to do a artifact or a product. You can apply it at home, office or public spaces. So, it could be an environmental design, okay. It could be a game or a toy that you do using these SDGs in any one of them, or it could be a digital application that you can think, build an interactive system. Okay. So, we are giving you a lot of choices. It could be a service design. That means that you are making one of the services more efficient, more meaningful. It could be applications of communication, graphic design. It can do with identity, campaigns, narratives, videos on any of these issues. It could be to do with learning. It could be something which is open, you choose out of your own choice, right, out of any of these 17 SDGs. These are some more suggestions for your topic. These are possible topics to choose from. You could choose from maternity care systems, mental health care system, cold chain systems, shareable cycles, rainwater harvesting systems, sustainable home systems, or recycling old things, green toys for children, reduce poverty through skilling, learn or play environment for normal children, learn or play environment for children with disability, bring gender equality in workplaces, or information on hiking trails, parks, multilingual speech systems for persons with hearing disabilities, alternate urban transportation system, household waste management system, mobility systems for people with disability, medicine tracking and distribution, flexible layout system for bilingual magazine, safety and security in schools, institutes, products and services for transport hubs, protection of endangered species, health and well-being communication, waste and sustainability in hotels or hostels, information on hiking trails, parks, redesign of Indian medicine system. These are all suggestions. You can either pick from this or do your own. So, you choose from any of these 17 SDG goals using the design thinking process. Okay. You need to select your topic, and the duration is 16 weeks. So, there will be a project report and a presentation submission at the end of every 8 weeks. That means, it is like stage 1 and stage 2. So, there are 2 submissions, okay, and it carries 50% of the grades. So, the task for the week 1 is basically nothing but selecting your subject. Once you select the subject, we recommend that you do 1-page brief summary of what you would like to do in this particular project. Okay, so, write down the title of your project and a 1-page summary. It is a brief summary. It is a good idea to start a notebook, because a notebook is something that you can take notes, write the keywords, do sketches, brainstorming, wish lists, etc. Okay, very helpful. In addition to your laptop, if you have the project notebook, nothing like it. Make sure that you make folders with the title of this project and make subfolders for everything that you are doing, right. All the different information goes into the subfolders. Okay. And it would be nice to create a workspace on your desk or wall to pin up important things connected with this project. Okay. So, you are kind of surrounded by the space of this particular project, and it helps you to think about the subject. So, the deliverables are basically, you need to do brainstorming, okay. That is one aspect of it, and you do need to sort out these keywords connected with your subject. Okay. If you can do the links, nothing like it, it is an optional part of it, but that is really for the week 1, selecting your subject and doing a brainstorming on the subject. So, thank you for listening. So, to summarize, we have finished the design process, which had to do with the structure of the course and the introduction. We have just completed design tools which are to do with brainstorming, keywords and sorting and linking it, and how to do the project through a selection of a topic and doing brainstorming and sorting it. Okay. And the next is the case study.